Hi STEAM members. Today I'm going to show you a really simple experiment, but also a really fun one. That'll kind of teach you a little bit more about density, which we'd already started talking about previously. And again, these experiments are designed to just have components that you probably have around your house. And if you don't have the supplies for one experiment, then there are always other ones that you can do. This particular experiment, however, requires just vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. So to do this, first off, we're going to take this substance that we've created that has vegetable oil on the top and water on the bottom. So if you look at this solution here, you can see that the water actually has sunk to the bottom because it's more dense and henceforth heavier than the vegetable oil. The vegetable oil is less dense, and as a result, it floats above the water. So this is just in itself really cool, and it shows off that property of density that we discussed. And remember, density is just an object that is denser, has a greater amount of stuff per a certain area. So that means that there's more water per a certain area than there is vegetable oil as a property. So now what I'm going to do is take some of this water mixed with green food dye, and I'm going to pour it in to our mixture here, and watch what happens. So what you're going to see happen is that food dye turns into these little droplets that are heavier than the vegetable oil. So as a result, they're going to sink down to the level of the water, and they're kind of going to float on that water. So again, I'll do some more. So you can see the droplets that you're going to create. You can do a lot with it. So again, this is just, it's all because all that green water that I'm pouring in, it's turning into those droplets, is more dense than the vegetable oil. So once you've done that, you can open up your Alka-Seltzer tablet here. And so then if you just take a little piece of that and drop that in, what you're going to see happen is that it creates a bubbly explosion. So Alka-Seltzer, when it's thrown into water, creates a chemical reaction, and as you can see, that causes it to sort of bubble up. And that'll eventually push up the green droplets that you have in there. This happens to be a two-fold package. So as you can see, what happens is that when the chemical reaction happens with the Alka-Seltzer in the water, it pushes up the little droplets of green water with food dye that we put in. And as a result, that's going to flow through the vegetable oil before they sink back down. Here, I'll put in a bigger tablet. Let's put in some more droplets. Here. So there's some more. Then we'll put in our tablet. So again, this is just a fun experiment. It shows off chemical reactions in the sense of the Alka-Seltzer mixing with the water, and it also shows off some of the properties of density. Here, I'll show you our experiment and bring it up to you. It's quite something. So as you can see, the vegetable oil and the water, you can still see the distinguishment between them though, even through this big chemical reaction with the Alka-Seltzer. So again, that just shows you the power of density. Thank you.